Welcome to my channel. Eero router setup without technical knowledge. Step 1. Unbox your Eero router. Take the Eero router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable out of the box. Make sure all items are included before you begin. Step 2. Download the Eero app. Install the Eero on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Create or sign into your account. Open the app and create an Eero account, or sign in if you already have one. Step 4. Disconnect your old router. Turn off your modem and unplug your old router if you are replacing an existing Wi-Fi setup. Step 5. Connect the Eero router. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the Eero router. Plug the power adapter into the router and turn it on. Step 6. Wait for the light to blink. Allow the router a few minutes to start up. The LED light will indicate when the router is ready for setup. Step 7. Follow the app instructions. The Eero app will automatically detect the router and guide you through the setup process. Simply follow the on-screen steps. Step 8. Create your Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password that is easy for you to remember. Step 9. Test your internet connection. Connect your phone, laptop, or tablet to the new Wi-Fi network and check if websites and apps are working properly. Step 10. Place the router in a good location. Keep the Eero router in an open, central area of your home, away from walls, metal objects, and large appliances for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Thanks for watching.